Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Emirates Islamic Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in emiratesislamic.ae and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Emirates Islamic Bank. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you can choose from various different login types. After choosing your appropriate login portal, you will be allowed to enter your credentials. Now type in your username within the username box that you have set while creating your account and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Emirates Islamic Bank right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Emirates Islamic Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.